Do you know you can make money online just by watching ads? No experience, no complicated setup, just your phone or laptop. In this video, I'll show you 5 legit platforms that pay you to watch ads and simple tasks, plus how you can turn this into a real long-term income. Let's get into it. Welcome to Logic Income Academy, your home for real ways to earn online. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the best opportunities to make money online. At number 1, we have Timebucks. So guys, Timebucks pays you for small tasks like watching ads, surveys, and social media engagement. They pay out in Bitcoin, payer, or direct to your bank depending on your country. Super easy to start with, especially if you are a beginner. So guys, this is Timebucks, alright? So you want to go to timebucks.com to actually create an account for yourself. So as you can see right here, competitions. Each day and week we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. The weekly prize pool is $2,000. As you can see right here, start earning instantly. No approval process required for new sign-ups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. Another good thing about Timebucks is that you can simply refer your friends. As you can see, this is their referral program. We have a referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer, and they pay out daily, alright? Daily payouts. We pay everyone daily with 6 different payment methods. As you can see right here, they have friendly support staff, alright? So guys, to actually get started, you want to click on the sign up to actually create an account for yourself, alright? Another one is simply Serplix, and Serplix focuses on search related tasks and ad watching. So guys, you basically get paid for simple online actions that actually require no skills at all. So it is global and payouts are straightforward via PayPal and also crypto. So guys, if you want to go to Serplix.com to actually get started, alright? So let me show you how you can actually get started. So you want to come to this place where you say become a clicker. So guys, you simply get paid. As you can see right here, get paid to visit website. So you earn this amount of money when you actually click on site, alright? So guys, and I've been clicking for Serplix, and the minimum payout is simply $5, and they have been online since 2016, alright? So guys, I want you to actually try this out. I believe in the links to all the sites mentioned in the description and also comment of this video. At number 3, we have Cointiply, and Cointiply is one of the most popular reward platforms where you earn Bitcoin or Dogecoin by watching ads, clicking offers, and even playing games. Alright, the crypto payout makes it easy for anyone, anywhere to actually get started. Alright, so guys, this is the interface of Cointiply. So guys, if you want to get started, you simply want to click on the start earning now. Guys, this is legit. So guys, but this won't definitely make you rich, but you can simply earn something from this website, alright? So you want to click on start earning now to actually get started on Cointiply. Right at number 4, we have JumpTask. So guys, JumpTask is a micro task platform where you can complete easy jobs like watching ads or testing apps and get paid instantly in crypto. No minimum withdrawal stress. It is fast and global. As you can see right here, you can simply watch these ads right here or these videos right here and get paid. Alright, you can simply get paid. As you can see right here, this one is, if you can watch this video, you simply get paid $1, and this one is simply $15. Alright, so guys, so you can see this is how you can actually get started. You want to click on start earning now to actually create an account. So guys, I have all the links in the description of this video, alright? So you can simply get started on JumpTask.io immediately. And right at number 5, we have FreeCash, and FreeCash is one of the highest rated DPT sites right now, and they pay for ads, offers, and surveys. The best part, they have very fast PayPal and crypto payouts, all right, and sometimes within 24 hours. As you can see, this is FreeCash.com. So guys, if you want to go to FreeCash.com, depending on your country, guys, if you are from top tier country, you'll be able to earn more from FreeCash.com. all right. If you are unable to earn on FreeCash, you can simply make use of Cointiply or Serplix or any other one that I made mention in this video. All right, so guys, to actually get started, you want to click on sign up, all right, to actually create an account on the freecash.com. So as you can see right here, you can even watch videos, you can play games, you can do a whole lot on the freecash.com. all right. So guys, here is the thing though, all right, watching ads won't make you rich. It is pocket money, and the real money comes when you monetize your traffic or website. So I have already made a video breaking down exactly how you can create a website and earn passive income by monetizing it with ads. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Watch that video if you're serious about building a long-term income. So here is the deal. Try out these 5 platforms if you want quick side cash. But if you're ready to build something real, send me a DM, and also check out my Monetag review video linked below. That is where the serious income begins. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legit ways to earn online. I'll see you in the next one.